Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how my dog, his name's Winston, I'm gonna show you how he plays ball. Here, let's go get the ball. See, he runs and launches after that thing. Crazy dog. And he just brings it back to me, sort of. Come on, bring me the ball. Come on, bring me the ball. Come on, drop it. See how he does it. Ready? You stay, sit. Okay, go. See how he just... I'm gonna show you how he does his tricks too, kind of. He doesn't know how to lay though. Here, this is a new... We got him he's like 5 months old. I think we got him 5 weeks old. 5 months old. We got him 5 months ago though. Hey, get off that. Get off that, Winston. Hey, sit. Come on. Here. Sit. Sit. Hey, I'm gonna throw it to... Hey, drop. 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 Man, you don't want to let go. Here. Here. Drop. Drop. Here. Throw it one more time and I'm gonna stop this video. Hey, sit. Sit. Stay. Ready? Go! Yeah, he's really good at that. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna play with him for a second.